Mornings with Scooper, and he is super needy. He wants this cookie right here, and Daddy's trying to feed him milk with a little bit of cookie. When you give a mouse a cookie, ha 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 ha. You gotta trick him. Go ahead. Okay, cookie, okay, and then milk. Yay! Vin's trying out my lashes. Let's have a look-see.
Yeah, put makeup on mix high. She wants to test it all out.
Yeah. It's pretty, no?
On him?
Yeah.
Because my eyes are, because I have...
Yeah. Scooper's trying to help out. Are you cleaning, honey? Yeah, you're cleaning? Yeah? Good boy.
Me, I'm clean.
Yeah, you? Good job. Vin took down my tree. We barely got to enjoy it, but we tried. Next year will be better.
All right, we're back in the car. It happened.
Yes.
I'm at 3:42. Going to Newport Beach right now. Let's do this. All packed up. I got all the right people to move some couches. Smallest two Asian girls. We'll figure it out.
Hey man, I moved many heavy items with Brian before. Okay, those beers, come on.
Oh my gosh.
We're literally heading up the mountains right now, and you can barely see the road. It is snowing like crazy.
Check these guys out.
These guys are crazy.
Do it again. Do something cool. Oh shit, that turned it. Do something cool, dude. Oh, he's gonna pick somebody up. Oh, there's another car coming. Ah, they can't do it anymore. Or you might. Yeah, he's turning around again right now. Clear the way, buddy. One more time. But don't wreck, dude. There he goes, he's coming. Slide. Uh-oh. He's careful now.
We made